Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing, and today I'm going to open up the giveaway that Daniella Hayes did. She made embellishment books on her channel. They're adorable. If you don't watch Daniella's channel, you should go check it out. I'll link below to it. And I started watching her during the holiday season. She had an advent calendar that had dies in it, and it was so fun. So she opened one every day, and I completely got hooked. And that's a case of, I didn't know there were advent calendars with dies in them, but it was super fun to watch. Okay, so I haven't peeked at all, and she has Hello Kitty stickers on here because she's a big Hello Kitty fan. Isn't that just the cutest thing? And when I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, it is blue. Okay, she's got it bagged and bagged so that we don't have to worry about moisture. Oh look, the tissue paper is scalloped. That's adorable. Oh, look at how cute this is, you guys. You see that gold glitter on that pin? Oh, with the blue. She knows I'm a blue lover. Okay, and then she's got an adorable bow, which I'll never get tied as lovely as she had it. But we have to open it up, don't we? Look at this cover. She's got layers of embellishments. And she has a gold foil paper underneath, so it has this nice gold border. And I love this floral paper on the edge. It is so cute. And this jewel on the butterfly. Oh my gosh. Oh, stuff's falling out of it. Look at this, you guys. Too cute. And a card. Oh, this is a cute little tag with an embellishment staple on it. Says, I'm so happy you won the blue book. It was meant to be. I hope you enjoy it and the embellishments. Thanks for the friendship and the support you give my channel. You are awesome, Daniella. Daniella, you are awesome. You guys, if you don't watch her channel, you definitely have to check it out. It is so inspirational and just amazingly fun. Okay, look at all this. Look at these pockets and bows. This says, life is sweet and hello, darling. It looks like a shaped washi. So she's got a little envelope in here, and it's a book just full of embellishments. So it's shaped washi and then bows, and I'm sure she's put something removable on there so I can take them off. I'll just set that aside. And then, oh, a couple of those Chamel buttons and some bows. And these are magnetic. The funny thing is, I think I have the paper that goes with this. Make every day count, shine bright, good day. So those are those magnetic, oh, look. Blue gems. You can never go wrong with blue gems. Okay, let's start right here in this pocket. A cute little cut apart and a camera and a bird. Those are just darling. I'm going to zoom you guys in a little. I'm having some weird lighting problem today. Like, the lights are too bright, so it's not working. I don't know. Oh my gosh. I so want to make one of these. It's on my list. I just haven't gotten there yet. And look at these butterflies. So she's made them on foil, and then there's a paper die cut on top, and then she's got a three-dimensional like feather up the center. And look at this edge, you guys. The detail in her work is just exquisite. It really is. So cute. And a little jewel right here. And a rosette. Oh, this book is just a thing of beauty. And then you have all the stuff in it. I love these. January and April. And she's got all these embellishments. She was, after the Maggie Holmes stuff came through Tuesday morning, she was really looking at it. And she wanted to make like Maggie Holmes inspired embellishments. I love these. These are just gorgeous. And she's got some torn book page down there. So much texture and interest that you really have to look at it for a minute just to see it all. And she has a nice video of this too. So if my lighting isn't good, don't worry. You can go over and watch hers. Smile and a heart and some more of that blue floral paper and these nice pockets. I mean, the detail is just amazing. And some ephemera. Oh, look at that. That is really cute. So punched hearts and then a nice pattern paper through them. And this butterfly tag and a cut apart. And then look at this, bows and gold seals, so I can use them for myself. I love this blue foil paper. I guess it's glitter paper. Oh, it's gorgeous. Just gorgeous, you guys. I'm so excited. Oops, my flowers are getting away. Oh, and there's more. Say yes to adventures. I know that sound of plastic crinkling isn't always great. Sorry about that. Oh, look, she's got a bunch of them clipped together. Say yes to adventures. You make my heart happy. You are altogether lovely. And then this tag. So what she's done is she's included, it's actually a little bit like the giveaway I was doing, right? She's got gorgeous embellishments, but then she's also got stuff so that I can make my own and be inspired, which I definitely am. I just love this. Ooh, and look at this traveler's notebook. Oh, so these grid papers are great because you can turn them and use them either way. If you want to make your lists horizontal, you can sketch in them. You can make great lists. I do love lists. This is gorgeous, Daniella. Really, really nice. I can't remember if she showed these in a recent video. The cover feels amazing too. Daniella, thank you so much for the wonderful treasures. This was an amazing giveaway, and I love this book. I think for now, I'm just going to put it on my shelf up here and admire it because it is darling. Oh, I didn't show you the back. So this must be that rose paper from, I think it's from the Maggie Holmes collection. It's just gorgeous. I love all this blue and then the bits of teal and pink. It's a wonderful color palette you have here. Again, thanks so much, Daniella, and thank you everyone else for watching. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to head over to Daniella's channel and subscribe to us both if you haven't. Bye-bye.